Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how to install Whatapp on your MacBook for free. So let's begin. So the first thing we have to do is open your preferred web browser. I will use Google Chrome and now search up Whatapp install. So Whatapp install. So after you do that, click on the first link of whatsapp.com. So download Whatapp, click on the first link and you can see this option right here of Mac and click download. So what this is gonna do, it's gonna install the application. So now let's wait.
A few minutes later.
So as you can see guys, my Whatapp is installed, and what we're gonna do is click on the file, click on the download, and now all you have to do is drag this Whatapp into the applications. So I'm done. So as you can see, it's happening, and now you have to close this and go to your applications in your finder and search up Whatapp. So as you can see, it's right here. So all we have to do now is open it and click open, of course, and after the application is gonna open. So we're just gonna wait. As you see, the new window open and the application is open. So now all you have to do is follow these steps from your phone and it's gonna happen. So thank you guys so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.